Morning, Phil Cross here at Heyward Allen Toyota. Here's a 2017 Camry SE Sport Edition, which I sold new. Also took in on trade and sold the customer another vehicle. She takes very good care of her cars. This one's got new tires. Again, this is your SE, so you can see the honeycomb grille up front. LED daytime running lights. Alloy wheels on the interior. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity. You can navigate through this screen as well. Excuse me. 6-speed automatic. Got your mixed media cloth with Softex seating trim. Non-smoker. Again, very clean. Armrest in the back folds down for drink holders. Again, this vehicle is certified, so you're going to get 7 years, up to 100,000 miles from date of purchase. It's not production year, but now it's just changed, so it wouldn't be from 2017. It would be from 2019, and the balance of the 100,000 miles. So you got close to 60,000 miles left on the warranty. 1 year roadside assistance, 12 months, 12,000 miles. You can pull on these levers as well to put the back seats down. And this is Ruby Flare Red. Got alloy wheels as well. No accidents reported to Carfax. Again, this is Phil Cross, Heyward Allen Toyota, Athens, Georgia, 706-369-5020, extension 123. Thank you and have a great day.